Going back in the vault and fast forward till now. Going back in the vault, fast forward till now. So you guys gonna get to see what the difference is. So you guys can spot them. But this was a very highly sought after shoe. It was real easy to get, a lot of W's on Sneaker App, Finish Line, Champs, Foot Action. So if you really wanted them, you should have been able to get them. Matter of fact, I've seen 2 or 3 more restocks since they came out originally. They're Air Max 90. So continue with the theme there. You know, way back in the Gap. Man, this is hot. This shoe right here, bro, it's a classic. It's a classic. How can you go wrong with this silhouette right here, man? These shoes are real dope, man. Quality is nice. I think these really harken back to the original one. The ones I got in 2010, in fact, I got these bad boys for below retail. These are the original ones that I got back in 2010. And again, like I said, so y'all see your boy ain't lying. Like I said, I've been doing this for a while. But these I picked up from Foot Action. And these are another size 12 for $80. With tax, it came out to $86. Out at Willowbrook Mall. So these are the ones that came out in 2011. These are the ones that came out in 2020. Do I think there's much of a difference? Yes, there is. As you can see, this gray, the gray on here is much lighter than the gray on here. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. But the grays are different. These from 2011 are more chunky. They're much more big, like especially like the foot lining and everything. The ankle lining is real thick, real padded. Tongue is real padded. These right here, foot lining is the inside is gray, as you can see. The tongue isn't as fat, so it's definitely a good pickup, man. I'm glad I got these. As you can even see, they even went back with the size 11 on the inside of the shoe. I got 2 others. I got the royal blue and I have the neon green to get with my little man, so me and him can rock those. Hopefully my man will be wearing shoes soon. He's still wearing baby shoes, but hey man, I'm ready. Pops is ready, son. Pops is ready, son. So man, we gonna get there though. So of course, it's only right your boy hit you with the on feet. And I guess I'll do one of each so y'all can be able to tell the difference. These are fire on feet. 2011s don't look bad, but man, this 2020 edition, I'm digging it. I'm really digging it. It's the Air Max 3s. Y'all let me know what y'all think about them. And until that, make sure y'all check out more shoe reviews and more vlogs coming to you.